obnoxious, disgusting, convenient, contract, deference, respect, abrogate, repeal, intrepid, fearless, grandeur, magnificence, inception, beginning, colossal, enormous, paradox, puzzle, proliferate, reproduce, censure, criticize, diligent, industrious, contemplation, meditation, adulation, flattery, quiver, tremble, beautiful, handsome, momentous, important, infatuation, passion, consignee, nominee, tramp, wanderer, irreverence, disrespect, amicable, friendly, prudent, cautious, panacea, benevolence, kindness, in vindicate, justify, occult, supernatural, menace, threat, delineate, explain, eminent, renowned, successive, consecutive, ravage, demolish, superstitious, irrational, mentor, guide, garnish, adorn, infructuous, fruitless, fidelity, loyalty, gruff, rough, doleful, mournful, fatal, deadly, elude, escape, premonition, forewarning, derogatory, disparaging, nomadic, wandering, restive, restless, erroneously, wrongly, estranged, separated, and capitulate, surrender, propitiate, appease, ceremonial, formal, obsession, preoccupation, dilate, widen, duplication, copying, priority, precedence, flutterer, float, command, instruct, genome, dwarf, evolution, washing, surmount, overcome, torpid, inactive, selection, preference, ostentation, pomp, convict, criminal, itinerant, traveling from place to place, transparent, lucid, enliven, and cheer, haughty, conceited, demented, idiotic, ill-bred, uncouth, knack, dexterity, laconic, concise, knavish, unscrupulous, assertive, domineering, capricious, whimsical, dexterity, adroitness, obstinate, stubborn, alert, watchful, acid, consent, superannuated, retired, audacity, boldness, decrepitude, feebleness, transition, change, accused, indicted, beckoned, called, genuine, original, somber, gloomy, regress, backslide, toxic, poisonous, yardstick, standard, little, trivial, avaricious, greed, august, majestic, decimated, destroyed, hurdle, obstacle, rare, scarce, opposite, appropriate, scorn, ridicule, impious, irreverent, freelance, self-employed, slither, slide, accoutrement, equipment, veracity, truth, incessantly, continuously, heralded, proclaimed, detrimental, harmful, snatch, wrench, stubborn, adamant, invariable, constant, and indictment, accusation, dulcet, sweet, dubious, doubtful, flabbergasted, dumbfounded, eternal, perpetual, astonish, overwhelm, obscene, indecent, indignation, anger, acronym, a word formed by the initial letters of the word meticulous, careful, rescind, revoke, antipathy, dislike, illicit, illegal, flair, talent, conservation, preservation, abysmal, bottomless, salient, prominent, decamp, flee, philanthropist, benefactor, exotic, strange, incapacitate, cripple congregation meeting irreproachable, faultless, felicity, bliss, knave, scoundrel, frontier, boundary, route, defeat, forego, renounce, recipient, receiver, prodigal, use, impose, tax, coax, rough, luxuriant, abundant, cantankerous, quarrelsome, onus, responsibility, derision, ridicule, trite, commonplace, debacle, downfall, ostracize, banish, prophylactic, preventive, cordial, protective, flimsy, weak, factious, silly, fatuous, silly, artful, cunning, propinquity, nearness, promiscuous, indiscriminate, irascible, irritable, gaudy, showy, bedevilment, beset, dangerous, hazardous, confidential, secret, deprived, dispossess, controvert, contradict, virulent, deadly, spirited, ardent, execrate, uh, curse, perquisite, privilege, benevolent, kind, ancestors, forefathers, embrace, accept, meek, submissive, sufficient, enough, lucidity, clarity, indict, charge, appraise, judge, indulge, flood, preponderance, dominance, barren, unproductive, infamy, notoriety, ancient, archaic, spread, perspicuous, clear, loquacious, talkative, vindictive, spiteful, inclement, unfavorable, genial, cordial, accumulative, poignant, sad, querulous, complaining, audacious, bold, perilous, hazardous, reverie, daydream, flaunt, exhibit, subjugate, conquer, behavior, conduct, stringent, tough, deliberately, intentionally, regard, respect, swap, exchange, nutritious, nourishing, genius, a person with uncommon intellect, culmination, climax, magnificent, splendid, transient, ephemeral, gloomy, murky, grumble, complain, crude, unrefined, obscure, confusing, depredation, and devastation, affluence, richness, bifurcated, divided into two, consensus, unanimity, inadvertent, unintentional, bristle, thorn, abstain, refrain, counterfeit, fake, novice, beginner, blister, wound, trauma, emotional shock, rectify, correct, jubilant, ecstatic, despondent, dejected, liberty, freedom, fabulous, marvelous, enigmatic, puzzling, desperation, hopeless, aversion, dislike, autocratic, dictatorial, daring, courageous, demonstrate, show, deliberate, intentional, therefore postpone, savor, taste, rivaled, competed, trimming, cutting, pester, annoy, disparity, difference, fortify, strengthen, pacify, calm down, paucity, shortage, tedious, dull, atrocity, violence, imaginary, fictitious, tranquil, peaceful, sordid, unpleasant, nefarious, wicked, mellow, genial, boisterous, noisy, shines, glitters, circuitous, roundabout, insensitive, callous, dearth, scarcity, keys, stop, liability, depth, um, integration, unity, discriminate, distinguish, appear, seem, casual, flatter, fragrance, aroma, fictitious, false, confuse, perplex, imitate, copy, tame, domesticated, mercy, sympathy, spine, vertebrate, spine, vertebrae, effect, result, speculate, guess, emulate, limitate, loud, praise, emancipate, liberate, absorbing, engrossing, and caricature, grotesque likeness, elastic, flexible, vacillate, waver, impeccable, perfect, impediment, obstruction, advance, progress, deny, refuse, abuse, scorn, docile, submissive, considerate, thoughtful, nurture, grow, purge, evacuate, sheath, coat, pious, religious, abandon, forsake, cancel, abolish, adorn, beautify, repose, rest, commotion, disturbance, irrevocable, unalterable, anger, displeasure, irresolute, undecided, frugal, economical, motive, intention, pity, mercy, quest, reject, genre, category, abundant, plentiful, anticipate, expect, restrict, prohibit, tremendous, remarkable, and diligent, hardworking, tempest, storm, instant, immediate, disaster, misfortune, adverse, unfavorable, request, ask, foreboding, alarm, change, alter, grip, grieve, grieve, acquaint, introduce, write, correct, apprehended, arrested, stumpy, pudgy, conceal, hide, efficient, capable, disease, illness, enigma, puzzle, concurrence, agreement, espionage, spying, prognosis, forecast, poach, hunt, repartee, response, exhort, pressure, lurid, shocking, concealed, hidden, relish, enjoy, acute, sharp, solicit, request, deployment, stationing, brisk, quick, impale, bucket, condone, overlook, thrive, flourish, anguish, agony, dissuade, discourage, pleasure, happiness, banquet, feast, essential, vital, subsidy, endowment, blunder, mistake, digress, meander, compassionate, sympathetic, solitary, lonely, decay, decompose, bliss, happiness, candid, frank, meager, inadequate, wholesome, sound, infirm, weak, cordial, friendly, soul, and only is systematically, methodically, economical, thrifty, superficial, shallow, um, mania, madness, perish, die, allure, tempt, assault, attack, protrude, bulk, accomplish, achieve, apex, stop, baffle, puzzle, apprise, inform, periodic, regular, gruesome, hideous, absurd, ridiculous, solitary, lonely, pacific, peaceful, fetch, bring, ecstasy, joy, clandestine, secret, barbaric, uncivilized, hurdle, obstacle, deter, hinder, prestige, insignificance, banish, disappear, spurious, fake, damage, death, adversity, misfortune, mundane, 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 ordinary, antagonist, opponent, bother, beset, engross, absorb, absolve, acquit, ascription, attribution, toil, work hard, mimic, copy, kiosk, store, ingenious, innocent, innocuous, harmless, insolent, disrespectful, parsimony, mislie, miserliness, tribulation, suffering, parapet, parapet, rampart, parapet, collate, assemble, advocate, support, preamble, introduction, garrulous, talkative, tinsel, decoration, labyrinth, meandering, hard, difficult, humorous, witty, gather, congregate, greet, welcome, happiness, bliss, catastrophe, calamity, hallucination, delusion, salacious, lustful, derive, obtain, obtain, repeated, reiterated, reverie, respect, erudite, scholarly, citadel, fortress, stern, strict, and aberration, deviation, abnormal, unnatural, venal, corrupt, conjurer, magician, invoice, statement, ameliorate, improve, logical, rational, delusion, illusion, mastery, authority, and temerity, audacity, willy, cunning, anguished, sorrowful, pretend, fying, feig, pretend, fying, impetus, hasty, evade, avoid, admonition, warning, thrifty, economical, wonder, roam, taciturn, silent, furry, anger, transient, transitory, plump, fat, valiant, courageous, plunge through, encountered, faced, redeem, save, credible, believable, extricate, free, of, of tree, unruly, honest, upright, vocation, occupation, elate, exhilarate, theorize, speculate, and thresh, beat up, absorb, renounce, assess, measure, murmur, buzz, diffident, timid, crafty, cunning, exorbitant, excessive, penchant, liking, affluent, prosperous, tepid, warm, canny, clever, human, sympathetic, scintillating, glittering, peripatetic, peripatetic, nomadic, voracious, greedy, impervious, impenetrable, paros, examine, pal, buddy, porous, permeable, insipid, bland, convalescence, recover, garble, confuse, pinnacle, summit, brutalize, ill-treat, quicken, accelerate, transient, temporary, compensate, make up for, retaliate, avenge, epidemic, widespread, curious, inquisitive, defile, besmirch, forsaken, abandoned, vivacious, lively, amiable, friendly, petition, appeal, proposition, proposal, objectional, abhorrent, sporadic, scattered, persevere, persist, adequate, enough, yearn, crave, transmission, conveyance, meander, curve, jabber, jabber, chatter, zealous, envied, guile, cunning, futility, uselessness, shame fake, arduous, difficult, recline, lounge, scram, scoot, odious, hateful, repeal, cancellation, tenet, um, belief, gnaw, nibble, famished, starved, peril, danger, thrashing, bash, washing, thrashing, bashing, persist, insist, eventually, finally, elegantly, gracefully, latent, hidden, dwindle, decrease, perplexity, puzzlement, ossify, make or become like a bone, and Trist and Rendes was beseech, beg, snooze, sleep, humiliation, dishonor, emit, discharge, gullibility, simplicity, tirade, rent, proficient, adapt, admonish, chide, interference, obstruction, quarry, victim, annihilate, destroy, conjecture, guess, verisimilitude, verisimilitude, authenticity, recapitulation, recall, complacent, satisfied, enterprising, finding out new ways of doing things, opulent, rich, visceral, bodily, devoid, devoid, pious, predilection, preference, effigy, dummy, plebiscite, referendum, scar, mime, diminish, reduce, maestro, uh, conductor, spume, foams, board, food, resurgence, renewal, damp, wet, troll, genome, insane, mad, podium, dies, charisma, charm, bumptious, conceited, stationery, writing accessories, bane, curse, felicitated, congratulated, owner, respect, innocent, guiltless, enormous, immense, inevitable, unavoidable, drizzle, sprinkle, erroneous, false, viable, workable, sinuous, serpentine, abhorrent, repugnant, desultory, random, answer, react, quest, search, revenue, income, exactly, precisely, accuracy, precision, consort, partner, feeble, weak, pawn, pledge, and chastise, upbraid, maestro, genius, invincible, unassailable, result, outcome, lousy, awful, crusade, camping, merge, blend, gourmet, gastronome, limpid, clear, pain, ache, filthy, dirty, mistake, error, annoy, offend, acquire, procure, adversity, misery, reveal, make merry, brutal, savage, stroll, walk, eternal, forever, gumption, acumen, amateur, beginner, laconic, concise, valedictory, terminal, denoun, denouement, climax, epitome, type, spectrum, range, and regime, authority, spurious, fake, connote, convey, altruistic, philanthropic, arcane, mysterious, contrite, regretful, bashful, shy, belligerent, hostile, congruent, identical, invincible, unbeatable, pandemonium, chaos, lethargic, inactive, laconic, concise, or recrudely nap, siesta, outrageous, shocking, spruce, naughty, achieve, accomplish, precarious, perilous, exasperate, infuriate, taciturn, reticent, acquiescent, tractable, trepidation, nervousness, hesitate, pause, consciousness, awareness, caliber, capacity, persuade, coax, vastral, spendthrift, moribund, dying, sooth, mollify, malevolent, spiteful, revile, abuse, venial, pardonable, querulous, grouchy, constrain, restrict, meander, wander, receptacle, container, fraternize, associate, cupidity, and greed, disheveled, untidy, venerate, reverie, scandalized, shocked, labyrinth, maze, exaggerate, magnify, adapt, adjust, pallid, pale, and conscript, draft, insolent, rude, forswear, forsake, nonplussed, puzzled, ineffable, inexpressible, in, ensconce and conceal, apathy, indifference, events show, events show, pernicious, injurious, eulogy, praise, obdurate, stubborn, lassitude, sluggishness, desiccated, dry, copious, plentiful, inelectable, irremovable, inimical, inimical, harmful, arduous, strenuous, contraband, smuggled, masticate, chew, abortive, unsuccessful, sycophant, flatterer, ominous, threatening, jubilant, rejoicing, obsequious, servile, negotiation, bargaining, invigorant, invigorating, refreshing, nugatory, futile, indolent, lazy, reproof, rebuke, improf, profligate, wasteful, hoodwink, deceive, rational, logical, spruce, smart, moribund, dying, ridiculous, gullible, con, consternation, dismay, garrulous, voluble, spine, vertebrae, purg, evacuate, sheath coat, genre category, mordant, sarcastic, pragmatic, realistic, disable, clutter, um, recollect, remember, grave, serious, traitor, deceiver, obscure, confusing, pathos, sorrow, perdurable, long-lasting, ablaze, furious, chivalrous, heroic, concocted, devious, gambol, frisk, jangle, disagree, cantankerous, quarrelsome, connoisseur, discerning judge, atrocity, barbarity, procrastinate, delay, lethargy, drowsy, hoodwink, defraud, eloquent, fluent, nefarious, iniquitous, surreptitious, secret, inanition, lethargy, vacillate, irresolute, indomitable, inconquerable, indomitable, unconquerable, scuttle, brazier, and scuttle, brazier, loquacious, talkative, boisterous, clamorous, haggard, emaciated, exemptions, immunity, exemption, immunity, perverse, nefarious, ravage, damage, ravish, enthrall, rigid, inflexible, stagnate, faster, restore, constitute, regain, attain, refer, defer, stall, validate, corroborate, squander, frivole, squander frivole, sulky, dismal, cardinal, essential, stingy, miser, intoxicating, stimulating, peripheral, inessential, agitated, aroused, concise, abridged, wrath, exasperation, extinct, abolish, malice, bitterness, sustain, continue, elope, abscond, evade, bypass, relinquish, discard, envy, hatred, harmony, consensus, despair, misery, um, perfidious, disloyal, appartition, apparition, spirit, insolent, bold, sordid, unpleasant, tenuous, thin, weak, compete, cavort, jump, brittle, fragile, illuminate, brighten, embroil, confuse, succulent, joycy, congregation, assembly, monotonous, dull, elusive, baffling, phonetic, spoken, astound, bewilder, casual, antis, fasten, arrogant, palpable, perceptible, feeble, weak, plausible, reasonable, arouse, insight, evident, obvious, congenial, cordial, disposition, impeachment, disseminate, disperse, disseminate, disperse, pensive, thoughtful, guzzle, imbibe, hound, beagle, embargo, barrier, abnegation, denial, abnegation, denial, bereft, deprived, carouse, frolic, hybrid, composite, discreet, careful, felicity, bliss, chef, irritate.